My name is Dustin Frank. I am co-owner of Commonwealth Studios with my brother-in-law, my sister Amber and Eric, and we are located here in Little Italy in Omaha, Nebraska. You would not know that a place like this exists. Many times it's like that with studios. It's just like a door in a warehouse, you know, and everyone's like, this is a studio? You know, and then you walk in, it's like, oh yeah, I get it.
Yeah, it looks like a Italian steakhouse.
Yeah.
From the curb.
Yeah.
Looks like you're walking in to get a steak or something. There's no windows, there's, you know, it's still got the original lanterns and stuff that are outside. As far as we know, it was turned into a studio in 1979, 1980, somewhere around there.
The real story is about David Caniglia, and he was afforded the opportunity at a very young age to build his dream, and this is it. And you know, I mean, he hired the best of the best to come out from you know, Hollywood, and to build something that you would only find out there.
You know, back in 2012, Eric kind of was missing the recording industry. We've been doing web design for many years, and so he started looking for a studio that was for sale, and just happened to find one in Omaha, which was kind of random since we had lived here before. So we bought it in January of 2013, and we just did a few little facelift things, got some new equipment, got the desks and stuff like that.
The acoustic design, the shell, you know, this is all very exacting. Every spot, you know, where there is a seat where people are supposed to be listening, or a place where they're supposed to be recording, is extremely focused design. We have the original Westlake speakers up in the ceilings, and you can see this is actually a loading door, you know, out to the. It's like a seamless design, you know, but it's beautiful. These actually open up, and kind of like bay doors we can load a piano through and so forth. You know, this is so special. This space, especially in this town, and I think we want to create an access point, you know, to local musicians who, you know, may not otherwise, and even not just musicians, but musical, you know, producers, you know, engineers, and the layman, you know, of just the audio world, you know, to really cut his teeth and to have an experience, you know, working in a large format, you know, studio like this.